what I found.
Don't touch him, man. He'll kill you. How long till the boss gets here?
He'll be here.
Riley said he saw the bat. Is he here too?
In Arkham City. Why would he come here? You guys just need to chill the hell out.
It's Batman!
What the hell?
Sorry to disappoint you boys. It's just little old me.
We're gonna rip you apart. You don't stand a chance. Your mommy won't recognize you.
Now that they're all taken care of, it's time to get what I came for out of that safe. Try and get one over on me, will you, Harv? I don't think so.
Get your filthy paws off that now.
Wake up, Mr. Wayne. We have much to discuss.
Strange. You won't get away with this.
I already have.
This is Vicky Vale, reporting live from Arkham City, the controversial super prison built right here in the heart of Gotham. In a few moments, Bruce Wayne will be live on stage to explain his sudden interest in Gotham politics. The infamous Playboy millionaire has never been one to...
Billionaire, Vicky. Millionaires are so last year.
I assume that you thought yourself untouchable. Well, as you can see, no one is untouchable.
Thank you! Thank you, Gotham! Imprisoned behind these walls, gang leaders are fighting a bloody war in the middle of our once great city. Every inmate from Arkham Asylum and Blackgate Prison has been relocated to this facility. How can this be safe for the people of Gotham?
Shut Arkham City down. It's out of control.
Shut it down. By the end of tonight, I will be a hero, just like you, Batman.
Today, I'm starting the campaign to close Arkham City and make Gotham safe again.
Remember, Wayne is the priority target.
Surround him!
Hands in the air, Wayne. We have Wayne.
Target secured.
I feel I should thank you. Capturing Bruce Wayne is so much easier than Batman. And now that we have you, Protocol 10 is ready to begin. It will be my legacy, a monument to your failure. And if you try to stop me, I guarantee everyone will know your secret.
You are mine, new inmates. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Hugo Strange, and I am in charge of the Arkham City facility. Up until this point, you have shown total disregard for the law, for society, and yourself. From this moment on, you are no longer part of the society that you have shown no respect for. You have been separated from the good people of Gotham.
What the hell are you doing? Did you think we wouldn't hear you?
And even have the right to a so-called normal life.
Help me! Escape in progress! Help!
Welcome to Arkham City, Wayne.
What are you doing?
Kill your butler? You're gonna die in here. You're gonna be my bitch, Wayne.
Back on the ground.
What are you waiting for, Wayne? Line A, move!
No one arrests black guys. No more
Any
silence.
attempt to approach the wall
Get
will
me
be
straight.
considered an
Wait.
act of escape.
I hear penguins put a price on your head.
You two get out of the way.
Wayne, get your ass up here.
What's it to you?
Bruce Wayne, you're on.
Come on!
Bang.
Lower your weapons. Mr. Wayne will not be any trouble. Will you, Mr. Wayne? The cuffs can stay on. We don't want to make things too easy, do we?
Close the doors. Prepare for insertion.
I can't believe I'm gonna die here.
Bruce Wayne? Great. Here I was reporting on your crummy press conference, and now here we both are. I guess that'll teach you to get involved in politics, won't it?
Listen to me carefully. When they open the door, do not panic. Stay close to me.
Do you think I'm taking advice from some guy who's never even been in a fight?
Stay calm. They're trying to scare us.
Sorry, man. It's every man for himself.
On your feet, Ryder.
I can't leave Ryder alone. They'll kill him.
I said get up.
Well, look who it is. Welcome now, Brucey. Lights out, rich boy. Wakey, wakey, Wayne. Oh, what's up? Do you need me to call you butler?
Cobblepot.
Oh, you remember me. I'm touched. Your family destroyed mine, Wayne. This, well, let's just call this good old-fashioned revenge. Get him! Hurt him! Think he's broken my bloody hand! What's keeping you? You're gonna pay for this, Wayne.
I need to get to higher ground and contact Alfred.
I knew you were too chicken to face me, Wayne. Go on, run. Climb like a bloody
Alfred, have you got my location?
Only just, sir. There's more interference than usual.
I need an immediate drop on the roof of the Ace Chemicals building. I'm on my way there now.
Of course.
I watched your incarceration on the evening news. Was getting yourself arrested a part of your plan all along?
Not exactly. Although I did get some one-on-one time with Hugo Strange.
And how was that?
Not good. He knows that Bruce Wayne is Batman. He also told me that something called Protocol 10 will make him famous. I can't leave Arkham City until I find out what it is.
Did it arrive, sir?
Right on time. I took an encryption key from a Tiger Guard. I'm going to hack into their communications.
Good evening, Gotham. This is Vicky Vale. Earlier tonight, we brought you to... All units, we have confirmation that Bruce Wayne has...
Try and stop this situation turning into a damn legal nightmare.
All units, this is Air Tiger 4. We have confirmation that prisoner 4011 is in the courthouse. I repeat, Catwoman is in the courthouse.
Is she in danger?
Affirmative. Target is being held by Dent. We believe he intends to kill her. How should we proceed?
Stand down. Let Two-Face have his fun.
Understood.
That doesn't sound good.
No, it does not. Mr. Dent's predilection for all things binary may not bode well for Miss Kyle.
If there's one person in Arkham City who knows what's really going on, it's her. I need to find Catwoman now.
I'd like to switch places with that lucky bastard.
We're sitting out here in the cold, while all the good stuff's happening in there.
Batman's here!
You're right! It's Batman! You're gonna die here. This thing's going where the sun don't shine!
city is patrolled by Tiger operatives. Do not approach the wall. Failure to comply will be met with extreme force.
Say again? He kept repeating it over again. 30 days hath September, 30 days hath September, 30 days hath September. It was creepy.
Why did you stay?
I don't know. He looked at me like I was nothing. You know, the way a kid looks at an ant.
Before he kills it.
Yeah, but he's stuck behind bars.
Is he? Look around you. Why is he the only one locked up? Who is he?
No idea, but I'm not going back down there.
Oh, man.
Just shut up already. I get it. It's cold. City? Bullcrap. Give me 5 minutes over the wall. I'll show this stinking town a whole new...
Where are they? They should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face... It's him! I guess. They should have waited. They were hungry. Hell, we're all hungry. I don't think they heard us. Good. I can't believe we're still out here at night. Don't understand why they even want to fight for this place. Two-Face ends up owning that bit of street. So what? He's still stuck in here.
Too late, schmuck. We started already. Too slow, idiot. The court's in session.
If I leave, Catwoman will die.
The only way to get by in this place is to get ourselves some respect. Be here. That's how we get respect. Show them all that we do things. We should be fair, though. This is a place of justice, after all. Screw justice. Kill her, and they'll all fear us. Bring out the defendant!
You certainly know how to keep a girl hanging, Harv. Hey, have you had some work done?
That's for stealing from us. No one steals from us.
I'm sorry I've been a bad kitty. Untie me, and I'll make it up to you.
Let's see if the coin thinks you're telling the truth. This court is now in session.
Taking out the thug with the gun is the key. Without him, the rest of the room won't be a problem.
People of Arkham City. It's good to see so many new faces in the crowd. Fresh faces for the gang. Today we present each of you with an exciting new opportunity. 2 opportunities. To join...
It's the freaking Bat! Run for your life!
Our friend Batman has arrived. Grab him and cut him in 2. Your sentence is death, Batman.
Come down here, Bat! Fight me like a man! I am killing you, Bat!
This is my call. Stay still, Batman. Batman needs to be punished.
Dodge this!
Stay out of our way.
Objection!
Overruled. Heads or tails, kitty cat?
Which one lets me out of here alive?
Not this one. Time to die.
I vote for a stay of execution. No gun harm? Shame. This is gonna hurt.
2 guns, bitch!
And I thought it was cats who have 9 lives. How's it hanging, Harv? Come to Kitty. Anyone ever tell you that you're full of surprises?
I figured you could use my help, Selina.
You're right. I think I chipped a nail back there.
Funny.
So what do you need, Mr. Detective?
Protocol 10. What do you know, Selina?
Never heard of it.
That's not what I wanted to hear. What about Strange?
I don't trust him. He's been missing for years, and then is suddenly put in charge of running Arkham City. Rumor has it he's been working with Joker, planning something very special just for you. Maybe that's Protocol 10.
Twinkle, twinkle, little bat. Watch me kill your favorite cat.
The ex-district attorney here said something. What the hell?
See you soon, bats.
This place is dangerous. I like it. You expecting a kiss?
It was Joker. You're not safe here. No one is.
9 lives, remember?
I need to locate where the bullet entered the court and where it impacted.
We'll kill you for this, Batman.
The bullet hit the floor here. Now, where did it enter the room? The trajectory the bullet traveled will lead me to the shooter.
cut me down. Fight us like a man.
All the rest have 31, except for February alone, which has 28, rain or shine. But on leap year, 29. St. Patrick's Day will be special this year, Batman. St. Patrick's Day. Let's hope the river continues to run green, hiding the blood beneath the surface. "30 days hath September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. Except for February alone, which has 28, rain or shine. But on leap year, 29.
I'm cold. It's like 10 below out here. And Harley left us outside to freeze to death. Crazy bitch. Bet she's nice and warm in there.
Take it easy, man. I'm just asking. Who was that lady? The one who got dragged off?
No idea. Just one of the losers from the church. Bunch of do-gooders, if you ask me. Hope the Joker hurts her bad.
Odds are he will. He ain't been his usual happy self for a while now.
Do you think the rumors are true?
What? That Harley used to be a dude?
Nah, the ones about the Joker dying.
No idea, man, but he didn't look too good last time I saw him.
When was that? I ain't seen him for months.
Me neither. The way I see it, if Big J dies, this place becomes an all-out war zone. If that happens, I'm joining up with Penguin.
It's Batman! Gonna hurt, Batman! Some kind of fight!
In there? I think so. I can hear someone in there. Keep that door shut, man. I don't want to go head-to-head with Batman. You didn't say it was Batman. Why the hell are we still here? We should run or something. You think? Don't be stupid. If you keep that door closed, he can't get out, and we are safe. Really? What's stopping him going out the back?
There's a back?
Yeah, Two-Face showed me. There's a basement full of cells. There's some guy down there. And you didn't think to mention it till now?
with this weather.
Anyone out of the court?
Throw us a friggin' bone already.
Arkham City is an equal opportunities penal facility. So-called super criminals
Really buying the funny farm.
any special treatment.
He just broke free and slashed his face. It looked bad. There was blood and claw marks. He looked like he was crying.
Did anyone notice?
Of course they did. Batman was there.
It's the freaking Bat!
Just messing with you.
Yeah.
I'm at the church. It looks like Harley Quinn is inside.
That dreadful woman is no doubt setting a trap for you.
Don't worry, Alfred. Quinn never was too smart. I'll be okay.
Let the lady go, Bat Freak, or these people all get a bullet in their heads.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my nice new outfit. What do you think, Batbrain? Like it? What am I saying? Of course you do. Who wouldn't? So anyway, here's the deal. Mr. J is really not up to a visit right now. He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos. I've got to run, boys. If he tries anything funny, kill him!
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move, Batman.
Disappeared!
They don't know where I am. Good. Let's keep it that way. Time to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed, 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy.
We need to get out of here.
He's gonna get us!
Batman, can you hear me? Try and get us and these people die!
That won't stop him. Oh man, I'm gonna die.
That idiot thinks he's safe in the confessional. He's just made it easier for me to get in behind him.
Where is he?
I can't see.
You're safe. Stay quiet.
Stay calm. Bat, can you hear me? Get out of here! Leave
If I can
now.
get behind those 2 without being seen, I can take them both in one move.
Yeah, leave us alone!
We got him!
Stupid!
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move. Spend it! Disappeared!
They don't know where I am. Good. Let's keep it that way. Time to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed, 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy.
We need to get out of here.
He's gonna get us!
Batman!
That idiot thinks he's safe in the confessional. He's just made it easier for me to get in behind
I
him.
won't stop him. Oh man, I'm gonna die in here.
You'll be okay. Wait here and don't make a noise.
I can't see him. He could come from anywhere.
Stay calm. Back.
Hello? What's
Get out of
happening?
here.
Answer me,
See
man.
now?
What's going on?
This is the hole where our head used to be.
Yeah, leave us alone.
You're safe. Stay quiet. He's got a hostage. I can glide to the scaffolding above him without being seen, and take him down from there. The room is secure. You're safe now.
Thank you. Yo, Batman, thanks for the help.
I'll get you free, Doc.
Thank you.
What happened to this prisoner?
He's not a prisoner. He's a doctor.
Was he attacked?
No. It's terrible, really. He transferred here, but I think it was too much for him. We didn't realize he was losing it. And we should have noticed.
Noticed what?
He was stealing supplies. Anesthetics, mostly. He used them when he cut his own face off. I found him. He was sitting in the corner, laughing. His face was missing. I wrapped him up and sedated him. Who knows what's in that case he's holding on to? We couldn't pry it loose.
More news on the hour's most dramatic story. We now have confirmation that Bruce Wayne was indeed arrested and thrown into Arkham City. Why? Well, that is the question that everyone is asking right now.
Okay, people, listen up. We're in control here, not these animals. I want this place locked down tight. All medical staff and supplies. Find out if anything was taken.
What about Stacy? Isn't anyone going after her?
I don't know if any of you just noticed, but Batman just saved our ass. If anyone can find her, he'll do. Does everyone understand? Look after the wounded, keep the bad guys out. We're a team. Let's keep it that way.
There's the gun. It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... how long has it been?
Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and oh, that's right. You left me to die. Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
Hello, Batman. Do you recognize my voice?
Victor Zsasz.
In the flesh! I'm so happy you remember me. I'll never forget you. I've got a special game planned, Batman. A game just for you. Ring, ring.